Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to link Exness to MT5. First things first, open the Exness app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the Create New Account button and then select Real Account from the menu. After that, choose the account type according to your preference and tap on Continue. Here, enter your account's nickname and create a new password for your account. Once you have done that, your new account will be created successfully. Next, tap on the three dots icon beside the history icon and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, open the MetaTrader 5 app and access your account settings. Inside the settings, look for the MetaTrader iOS banner at the top, access it, and then tap on the demo account. Now, search in the top field for Exness and select Exness Technologies. Inside this section, select the server as MT5 Real 9 and sign in using your Exness credentials. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.